G'day everyone, welcome back. We're down at the river behind the homestead at the river markers here, because we're at an all-time low at the moment. I'm thinking that's about all the river markers we got. I'll go down there and have a look. Slippery. All right. Looking back up the bank, that second marker, not the one closest to me, that one furthest, that's the one normally just in the water, so you can sort of gauge where the river is normally meant to be, and it ought to be underwater. Someone's left an opera house net and some dunny paper. That's gross. Look what we have here. Gabbies are flowing. Alright, I'm going to try and get back up here. So, made it up to the top, and I reckon from here, go and take a walk down to the road to Apex, see how it is. Which way do I go? Bike path or the road? Road. Yes. We're like still in summer and we've got an Arctic blast coming through Mildura at the moment. Quite cold. Been snow up in the mountains. So yeah, not a bad day. Alright, I'll get on down to the road. Alright, this road to Apex, excuse me, this is where the water was crossing the road the last time. I couldn't get any further than this. But what I have noticed is the flooded bushland is absolutely loving it. How it's come back is crazy. It's actually cleaner. Yeah, right about here where the water was still crossing the road here. Seems to have all dried out now. Birds are noisy. Alright, they got a wire fence up here. See what that's about. Yeah, we're coming up to the entrance of the caravan park. The reason why I think they had them metal gate fence type things across the road is because this is the road. Still covered in mud, quite thick on the top edge, which is the right side of me. This is the middle of the road where I'm standing now. So yeah, still a bit of cleaning up to do, but we're nearly there at the caravan park. We'll see what the park looks like and see if we've still got a sandbar. I'm hoping we have, because if the Apex sandbar's there, it means the rest of them are still in place. Fingers crossed. Alright, Mildura Lifesaving Club. Going to go down through here and check out this sandbar. You can see how high the water got just beneath the second story window. Here we have the Sandbar. Don't know why I said it like that, but that looks amazing. There's more sand on the sandbar before the flood came, I can tell you that. Alright, we'll head up this way and have a look. Yeah, I've had a few casualties. The trees that got undermined and washed over, and then all the ones that were too short to be above the flood water itself. But yeah, that's the Sandbar. The fish are jumping like crazy. They're only tiny. They're going off their head. Alright, I reckon we go up and have a look at the kiosk and a bit of the caravan park. See what the damage is there. Alright, let's have a look at this Caravan Park main office. See by the mark on the trees where the water got to. That's above my head. Sort of can't really see because they've pressure washed the building, but that cane matting up there from the mezzanine floor about a foot on that weed matting is where I can see a water line. So that front veranda totally underwater, the shop completely submerged. But yeah, looks $1 million now. The old brush fencing couldn't take the pressure. Down she went. Looks like the park's been through here and cleared off all their roads. Little piles of dirt everywhere. But I did notice something over the back here. It looks like there's still a giant pool of water. Could be deceived. Could be just mud. But we'll go and have a look. Well, small puddle, a little bit of mud, not worth investigating. I might head on out this way. Yeah. I wouldn't say there's much damage. It was a clean-up bill, but all the silt and stuff that's on the grass is starting to poke through it already. I don't know when they're going to reopen this joint though. It looks a long, long way from reopening yet. Yeah, even this sign here, that's above me head. So yeah, she's pretty deep. But there were other places that copped it worse than us. Levee breaches and, you know, we had a few houses flooded and streets flooded, but not as much as other places. So we've got to be thankful in that way. But if Apex Park looks like this, I'm going to go and check out the local sandbar where I go camping. See how that is. But yeah, like I said, the grass is starting to come through already. In all the videos I keep talking about the grass. You think I'm some sort of lawn mowing specialist or something, but hey, once the grass is back, everyone's happy. The place looks back to normal again. Yeah, so I'm not hung up on grass. But yeah, the road's still a mess on the way in. I'll see what else I can spot. Oh, that was the Apex Caravan Park and the Sandbar and the flood marker behind the homestead. Yes. So they're going to be putting the boards back in the weir. I think they said Tuesday or something like that in the paper. But yeah, not 100% sure on that. But anyhow, the river will be going up again. Not to flood levels, back to normal level. But yeah, been a nice chilly day today. I think it's about 18 degrees at the moment. I might go home for a beer snack. I think I'll just fire up the barbie. Yeah, that sounds like an idea. I'll fire up the barbie and chuck on one of these things called a cattleman's cutlet. So I'll see you when I'm there. Signing off from out the bush. Doo-roo. Alright, let's grab this by the bone and chuck it on the coals. Hear it sizzle. Not a problem. Alright, we'll see how that cooks up. Okay, it's been 15 minutes now, just turned it over. I reckon I'll give it about another 15-10. We'll check it out. Now back to these barbecues. Alrighty, as I said, I'm attending the barbecues. So we got the onions, we got the spuds. Just let me slide my glove on. Oh, sorry about the camera work there. In here we got homemade rissoles, some more spuds. And under this one, we have porterhouse steak with garlic butter and beef and pork chipolatas. Now, follow me. Earlier video, I done a tomahawk steak, and yeah, absolutely beautiful. The cut, tremendous. This is a smaller version, and yeah, she's ready to come off the plate and to be hit with a sharp knife, and I'll show you what it's like inside. Alright, well, we've come to the stage where I'm going to show you what it's like inside this cattleman's cutlet. But before we do that, I'm just going to check on these little babies in here. Everything's looking good. Right, and I'll grab this with my delicate little pinkies and bring this over here. Give the torch to Mrs. Yowie. Right, now let's see. Don't let me down. We'll go about here somewhere. Oh, beautiful. There we go. Cattleman's cutlet.